Hey guys, another new one, and I'm really liking this plan. Uh, but before we get to that, I want to give you a chance to read this disclaimer. All right, guys, let's get to it and do it. And the newest company that we added to the family is Elite Trading, EliteTrading.biz. Yes, they have a focus on audit and insurance, and they do all that good stuff. Hey, but you know me. All I care about is the money. How you making the money? That's my big deal. So, with that being said, let's go ahead. And I want to start. They have a lot of good plans here. They really do. But I want to start with the plan that I really, really like the best. But before I get that, I got to say I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Only invest what you're willing and able to lose, and always do your own due diligence. And with that being said, let's go ahead and look at this particular plan right here, which is my favorite. Now, you do what you want to do. You don't have to do anything. But this one I really, really like. I am so big on risk management and only having your money on a platform for as limited period of time, as limited as possible. In this one, you can have daily for 2 days, 10%. This plan number 4, minimum deposit is $100. Maximum deposit is unlimited. Withdrawal type is instant and 24/7 customer service. Anyway, daily for 2 days, 10%, $100. Wow. Wow. Daily for 5 days. This is another good one. Daily for 5 days, 20%, for plan number 6, and that's a minimum deposit of $500 there. Maximum deposit is unlimited, guys, unlimited. So let me check on something for you. I will be right back. All right, guys. Had to check with the Elite Trading people because I want to make sure I was saying it right. These plans are so good. I didn't want to mess it up. So make sure you always check with them if you have a question about any of this. Anyway, this is 10% a day. You can get started on this one with $100. You're only held for 2 days. You can take daily withdrawals, and you get your deposit back after 2 days. Once again, no promises, no guarantees. Any of these platforms can go down at any time, but I just gotta call it like it is. If they do what they say they're gonna do, that's about the best one I've seen in a long time. I mean, that's pretty sharp right there. You get your deposit back. You get a 10% a day. You're only in there for 2 days, and then you get your deposit. Well, anyway, let me move on because I'll be stuck right there. Anyway, let's go. This was nice too. I like the minimums on this one. 20% a day for 5 days. So what this one is really saying is that in 5 days you will be able to double your deposit. That's just kind of what it says, because 20% a day for 5 days, that's 100%. You're going to double your deposit and you're going to get your money back. 500 to unlimited on that one. So now that we've talked about those two, wow, that's incredible. Let's go ahead and talk about all the plans. How about that? Let's go. But if you just saw those two and you say, man, I forget that, I just want those two, you can click on the link in the description, in the comments of this video, and you can go ahead and get started, or not. You don't have to, but if you want to, I don't want to hold you up. But let's look at the other plans. So the other plans are daily for 7 days. You get 0.97%, which is a good rate. I like that you can get started on this one with as low as $20. $20. So this particular platform really has a little bit for everybody. It has something for the ones that are just getting started. And if you're a big baller shot caller, it's got something for you too. $20 to $9.99, 0.97% per day for 7 days. This is 1.67% for 12 days. This is plan number 2. Minimum 400 to unlimited on that one. Instant withdrawals. Okay. This one is daily for 4 days. 2.1% on that one. That's minimum deposit. That's plan 3. Minimum deposit $500 unlimited on that one. Daily for 14 days. 3.8%. That's $850 to unlimited on that one. Daily for 2 days. We already talked about it. 10% a day. Get started with as little as $100 to unlimited on that one. And this daily 5% a day to 20,000, 20%, not 20,000, 20% get started $500 to unlimited. So wow, that is really incredible. Those particular plans are really something to see. Okay, so we looked at the plans. You know what we got to do? We got to go to the F, the A's, and the Q's. And they're brief. They're brief. So here we are. How can I invest? All you got to do is click on the link in the description, in the comment of this video. But I don't have any currency. What should I do? You can open a free PM account here at perfectmoney.is. But I don't know, but I don't believe that's available to us here in the US. So, but hey, if you don't have that, then you can go ahead. How do I open my Elite account? It's quite easy, convenient. Follow the link, my link, description, comments. Fill in registration form and press register. It really is that easy. It took me about minutes, so it's really easy. I love this one. Say, which e-currencies do you accept? We accept e-currencies. I don't know if that means all of them or a lot of them. I don't know, but I saw that. I thought that was pretty funny. We'll get in the back office. We'll see which ones they do really accept. How can I withdraw funds log into your account using your username and password? Check the withdrawal section. Pretty standard. And I did confirm. Now you can confirm if you want to. Reach back out to customer care if you'd like to. I did confirm with them that you can withdraw on a daily basis. So that one plan where it's for like 5 days, 20% per day for 5 days, you can withdraw on a daily basis. And remember, we always talk about withdrawals. That helps lower the risk. So the more you can withdraw, the more you're putting money back into your wallet, and that's what I like to do. How long does it take for my deposit to be added to my account? Your account will be updated as fast as you deposit. How can I change? We're not worried about that. That's pretty self-explanatory. Can log in, get with them. Does a daily profit directly to my account? No, profits are gathered on your Elite Trading Biz account, and you can withdraw them anytime. 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 Daily profit anytime. Okay, you saw that now. You saw that. How do I calculate interest on my account? Depending on the plan. It's accrued daily, weekly, bi-weekly. It just depends on the plan. Can I do a direct deposit from my account? Yes, you may deposit from your account balance and log into your members account area. Click on make a deposit as select deposit from the account balance radio button. So in other words, you can make a deposit. Once you have it on the account, you can either make a deposit from your outside wallet, or if you have enough on the account to create another plan, you can do that as well. Can I make an additional deposit to Elite Trading.biz account once it's been opened? Yes, but all transactions are separately. In other words, you can't top up. You can't do that. After I make withdrawal requests, when will the funds be available to my e-currency account? Funds are usually available within 10 business hours. So 10 business hours, so it's not instant. It's not, well, it says it's instant, but it's really not instant. When I talked to them about this part, they said that's the maximum. That's the maximum. How can I change your password? Change password. Can I lose money? Yes, my friends. You can lose money on anything. All of this involves risk. All of this involves risk. So if that is a problem for you, don't invest. Don't put your money here. Don't put your money on any of these platforms. If you're afraid of risk and losing and all that stuff, this is not for you. It's not. It's okay. It's okay. It doesn't have to be, but it's not. Check balances, log in. And may I open several accounts? No. If I member has more than one account, the entire funds will be frozen. So this is one of those. No. How can I make spend? How can, to spend, you must first become a member. Once you have signed up, you can make your first spend. All spends must be made through the members area. That's how you can make a deposit. That's all. Well, who manages fund? They do. All right, guys. So let's go to the back office. Let's check it out. All right. Okay. All right. So here is the. Really like the colors. I got, they really have some cool colors. I like the orange. I like the golds. I like the kind of purple. So to me, they have enough without it being too much. Some back offices are just super, super plain. Other ones are super, super busy. This one is it's just enough. It's just enough, So we have this here and just really nice and clean. I like how you can just see everything right here. Oh, and it moves too. Well, okay, I'm gonna stop it. I'm stopping it. You get caught up. It's like, oh, it's just you're just moving it. No, you're gonna stop it. All right. So the deposits over here. So really nice, clean back office, and there it is, guys. So this is Elite Trading. Elite Trading, and let's go to one more time. Just go over the plans. Just go. I'm start with the plan I like. You do what you want to do. This is the plan that I like the most. I really think it's a cool plan. 2% a day. I'm sorry, 10% a day for 2 days. You get your deposit back, and you can take money out daily. This one is 20% a day for 5 days. You get your deposit back, minimum of 500, unlimited. This one is a minimum of 850. And one of the other things, I got to say this too. I got to say this about this platform. One of the things I like about it is there are certain platforms, and there's nothing wrong with them at all, but there are certain platforms that almost every other plan except the first plan is like over $1,000. Like the first plan is maybe 100, 200, 50, whatever the first plan, and then every plan after that is over $1,000. You got to start over 1,000. I like the fact that no plan here that I'm seeing starts at over $1,000. You can get started on any of these plans for I think the most is $850, I believe. So that's you read that into what you want to. I think that's pretty cool. But I also want to show you the stats, because this is I think they have it here. Do they have it? They don't. Okay, I think I saw it in the Telegram group. So also they have a Telegram group. So make sure that you're part of the Telegram group. But anyway, sorry, I want to make you dizzy. I'm going to slow down, and we're just going to go with this daily for 2 days, 10% a day, minimum 100. You get deposit back. You can withdraw daily. Daily. For 5 days, 20% a day for 5 days, minimum 500. You get your deposit back. You can withdraw daily. 3.8% a day for 14 days. Your minimum deposit is $850, and you get your deposit back daily for 4 days. 2.1%. Minimum deposit is $500, and you get your that's the minimum deposit on that one. Daily, 5 days, blah, 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 4 days. 1.6% a day for 12 days. Minimum deposit is $400, and 0.97% a day for 7 days. Minimum deposit is $20. So has a little something for everybody. You can get started. Get in where you fit in, or you don't have to get in at all. The choice is totally up to you. With Elite Trading, guys, I hope you got some value from that. Make sure that and if you want to be part of Elite Trading, hit the comments or the description on this video, and make sure that you watch the next video, because I'm going to give you 5 sides of a red flag rug pull. I'll see you on the next video.